Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today, war day number 441. 441 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Hi there, hi everyone. We have here in today's newspaper three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary puzzle, the medium Sudoku, and killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. In today's newspaper, we have not so good news. Let me show you. We have not a lot of puzzles. Only those three regular puzzles because we have no additional with extra puzzles. What I will do is to continue with the puzzles of the yesterday's newspaper. We have three puzzles left. I will do those in the evening. Let me show you first the newspaper. No, this only those three regular puzzles. Alright. I have the additional of the yesterday's newspaper here. The yesterday's newspaper of Tuesday, May the 9th. Three puzzles are left. The letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 0 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. I will do those in the evening, but first let me start with these three regular puzzles. The first one is the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle and number 6411. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 29 printed. No, not 29, 24 printed digits. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. We have a double one here no, there no. Double one here no, there no. Double one here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Then let me see. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones then. Okay. Double one, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then, let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, the fifth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this second column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no then. Alright. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have here 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Still, we have here 4 O's. O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then, let me think. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be an O. The fifth O, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, fifth O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s then. Alright. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s. If I place number 5 there, then in this column we have 3 O's in a row in the first column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this is going to be 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright. I know between an O, wait, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. And no, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. That box should be a 1 then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Then we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 1s comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 1, oh, between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes! Completed in 8 minutes. Wow. Without comparing. Yeah. Well, thank you again for watching. And I like this one, yes. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.